Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
Yo, what up? Back on the Mini. Just finished up the head yesterday, and so I need to get that back on there. It is extremely hot. Yes, I don't have a hat on. I did pull out my canopy because I can't work directly in the sun. I should have took the car to the storage unit where I have plenty of shade and everything, and I have my fans and stuff, and it's probably a lot cooler than what it is now. But today we have a lot to do today. I have to not just put the head on, I have the timing stuff to do. I have the water pump, the serpentine belt, and I believe that's it. It's actually not that much, just thinking about it, but it is time consuming because I want to take my time in doing it. So make sure I get everything back together just right. But the first thing I'm gonna start on first is the water pump. So I don't want to put the head or anything on, and I also need to break loose that crank pulley because I'm changing the timing chain, so that needs to come off as well. And I think I can do it with the wheel on. I just have to turn it and maybe just finagle in there, because normally you put it up on a jack stand, pull the wheel off, pull the wheel liner out, and get behind there, and it's a lot easier. But I don't have, the engine is actually sitting on, it's kind of dark, sorry about that. It's sitting on a block, so I can't just jack the car up because I have the engine sent like that. In order to put it back up on the engine mount, I have to put the cylinder head back on. So we're just gonna hop onto that and get the water pump and the timing stuff out, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting the head and stuff back on. So let's jump into that real quick.
Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.
Alright, so in my world of mess, yes, I got a mess here. I got stuff everywhere. The good element for a workbench is perfect. So what I did so far is I got the water pump on, I put a new serpentine belt, and also I'm installing a new timing chain. So the next on the agenda is to clean the block so I can put the what is that, the God, I'm having a brain fart. Head gasket. That's it. So I'm gonna put the head gasket on and it go from there. So, I'm sorry, it's hot. I'm losing my mind. All right, stay with me. All right.
Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.
One eternity later. All right, so a few days later, the day you saw when I was cleaning off the top of the block, it was extremely hot and I got really dizzy. So I decided to go in the house, and I came back out late at night. I couldn't make too much noise because I didn't want to wake nobody up or just bother them. So I worked until about 11 o'clock. Well, it was like 10:30, 11 o'clock. So I went on ahead and knocked most of it out and got pretty much everything back together. And I just need to torque down the head. So what you guys saw me do is cleaning the top of the block. so I can put the cylinder head back on. So I'll put it back on and put all the other stuff around it. I'm so familiar with this car, it didn't take me no time to put it back together. So I'm starting off today to torque down the head and get that going, because that's the last thing that needs to be done. So let's get on that.
What it takes. Is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can.
Alright, so the next thing I need to do, got the head torqued down, and those are just, it's 2 bolts here and 1 bolt back there that I already did. Shouldn't have done it, but I double checked just to make sure, but I remember tightening those already. And the reason why I didn't do these yet, because I was missing a washer, but I got that now. The next thing I want to do is make sure the mating surface for the valve cover is super clean. Get that going there. And we can't go without handlebar.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step.
Alright, so after I put the valve cover on, and I noticed that when I did turn it on, well, I turned the key on just to see if make sure I get no air. I didn't get any air in the fuel line. So I had broke the fuel line loose to see if I could get that air out, and nothing came out. Oh boy. So I checked the fuel pump and everything, and it's all the fuel pump works, but it's not priming the system. So I'm not 100% sure why I'm not getting any fuel, but if I hook a battery up to the fuel pump right there in the back seat, then I can get fuel up. But other than that, no fuel pressure at all, nothing. It won't do anything. So I'm not sure what's wrong. I did take the filter off, and I sprayed starter fluid down in the intake tube, and it started that way, but it will not start on the regular gas. So I'm not sure what to do, but I'm hot and this is it. So I got to do some more troubleshooting. Most likely look at the fuses, the relays, the BCM over there and the passenger footwell. Maybe take a look at that stuff. But I'm gonna keep you guys posted of why the Mini is not starting. But it does start with carburetor cleaner or engine start. It does start with that stuff, but I'm not getting any gas up to the rail. I'm not sure if it's the high pressure fuel pump don't have anything to do with it, per se. I mean, it could work if it had enough suction where it could pump from the fuel tank, but then it'll run like crap. Other than that, that's it. I'll keep you guys posted. And please comment, like, subscribe. Until then, I'll talk to you guys later.